As the European Union accelerates its shift towards a bioeconomy, the adoption of bio-based products, services, and systems is growing rapidly. But with this transition comes with several challenges.
The current gap is basically that we are using lots of indicators that are already developed for general use, and most of the cases for fossil-based products that are intended to measure the specificities of these kind of products, and we are applying these same indicators to bio-based products. The truth is that bio-based products has different aspects that have to be taken into account, that have different areas of interest, that have different problems, and when applying these currently available indicators, most of these aspects come in this blind spot of these indicators.
The BioRadar project proposes a simple, objective, and quantitative bio-based systems transition indicators framework to monitor the sustainability and circularity of bio-based products.
So far, circularity and sustainability have been measured in a myriad of ways, and we are trying to produce a framework, a measurement framework, to do so in a more streamlined way. To do so, we're building a set of indicators for environmental, social, and economic sustainability and material circularity of the products. And all these indicators are going to build the bio-based transition indicators in the framework of BioRadar.
In the BTI framework, the environmental impact is measured using environmental life cycle assessment and indirect land use change indicators, helping us understand the broader effects of bio-based production. From the economic perspective, the life cycle costing and eco-costs indicators help assess financial feasibility while considering long-term sustainability. Sustainability isn't just about the environment and cost-effectiveness, it's about people too. That's why the framework includes social life cycle assessment to evaluate the social impact of the bio-based industry. And finally, measuring circularity is key to keeping resources in use for as long as possible. The BTI framework defines general and sector-specific indicators to track progress. For all industries, two general indicators apply: the Circular Index Circulability Model and the Biodegradable Compostable Content Indicator. Moving on to sector-specific circularity indicators, for the textile sector, the chosen indicators are the Resource Pressure Indicator and the Fiber Treatment Circularity Index. For the fertilizer sector, the circularity indicators used in the BTI framework are the Circular Indicator of Nutrient and the Nutrient Slow Release Index. And for packaging, recycling effectiveness and virgin material consumption indicators were chosen. The BTI framework provides a full spectrum of impact assessments specifically tailored for bio-based sectors.
At the moment, we are focusing the BTI framework in textile packaging and fertilizers, because we have noticed that each bio-based sector requires tailored indicators, tailored measurements and metrics to be used on. But in the future, we expect that the project can then contribute to the extension of these measurement methodology to all the bio-based sectors that are in need of these kind of measurements.
The BTI framework metrics measure and report upon a business's progress in becoming more circular and sustainable, pointing in the direction of new or improved products and services that align with economic growth, societal benefit, environmental care, and circular economy principles.
Businesses can apply the BTI framework in their daily operation, specifically in their sustainability departments or sustainability efforts, by, first of all, measuring or knowing what to measure. I think that's the first takeaway for businesses, giving a guideline of what they have to measure in order to know how their products are performing in sustainability and circularity. And then the next step, once you know what to measure, you have measured it, the next step is that you can use BioRadar tools to calculate and obtain the results of some dedicated indicators of how your products are performing. And based on that, then establishing sustainability strategies to be more circular, to address some of the challenges or the shortcomings you have, and then promoting the improvement, the permanent improvement of businesses.
With the BioRadar BTI framework, you are not just monitoring performance, you're transforming the bio-based industry for a sustainable future. Join us in this journey to make bio-based systems more circular, impactful, and resilient. Discover more about BIORADAR BTI Framework and its digital tools in our replication facility and our massive open online course. Ready to take the next step?